Samsung is actually killing it. No, I am not joking. They are about to do something big with the S24 Ultra. That will change everything. Ever since the Galaxy S24 Ultra launch, Samsung has been shipped their flagship phone with a 10x periscope zoom. It has been headlight feature in the Samsung flagship. But now Samsung is actually removing this from the S24 Ultra. You might be scratching your head thinking why. According to Samsung most reliable leaker S24, they replace the 10 megapixel 10x zoom with a 15 megapixel 5x zoom, which gives the S24 Ultra the same amount of long range magnification as the newest iPhone 15 Pro Max. Why in the world would Samsung do this? This is a downgrade fault. So let's discuss. So first up, the sensor size is a lot bigger than the sensor we had inside the S23 Ultra, and it comes with a 50 megapixel resolution instead of 10 megapixel. So from 5x to 10x. Next, it is expected that quality will be similar to how it is on the S23 Ultra, but beyond that the level, when we talk about 20x, 13x or 14x, where the quality difference may not good as the S23 Ultra again. It all depend on Samsung algorithm. But realistically, if you're thinking about 5x periscope zoom, digital cropping to 20x or 13x, it's not gonna have the same quality as a 10x optical zoom that goes to 20x or 13x level, as we have seen with the current example with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra that has similar setup. So maybe from 5 to 10x we may see better image quality or same as the S23 Ultra, but anything beyond that are raising a big question now. The second reason why Samsung is actually changing the 10x zoom with a 15 megapixel 5x zoom is because of cost cutting. It's rumored that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 exclusive in all markets. This once again mentioned in the recent leak. Again, we have yet to see this double checked by other credible sources. This is very source also say that along with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Samsung may be upping the RAM on the S24 Ultra to whopping a 16GB RAM, as Qualcomm is raising price for their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Samsung might have to look some cost cutting benefit, which is why they may be bringing the 50 megapixel 5x zoom instead of the usual 10x zoom. Again, we don't know how this new sensor is going to perform. It may actually be even better than what we had before. Again, the Samsung has to have a pretty good reason to do this. Otherwise, they definitely won't be downgrade from the previous model. So yeah, with the S24 Ultra, we say goodbye to another legendary feature, the 10x zoom and curved display. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys new here, please subscribe for more tech news.